Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your e-commerce sales with eBay, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have a clear understanding of eBay's policies. Familiarize yourself with their seller standards and guidelines. Next, create a professional seller profile that reflects your brand. Make sure to include high-quality images and detailed descriptions for your listings. Consider implementing a fair return policy to build trust with your customers. Next, use eBay's shipping services for reliable delivery. Opt for tracking options to ensure transparency during the shipping process. To protect against fraud, verify the payment methods you accept. Always respond promptly to customer inquiries to enhance communication. Regularly check your listings for any unauthorized changes or issues. Implement eBay's seller protection program for additional security. Monitor your account for any suspicious activity or unauthorized access. Encourage customer feedback and address any negative reviews swiftly. Utilize eBay's performance metrics to assess and improve your selling practices. Invest in eBay advertising tools to boost the visibility of your listings. Engage with eBay community forums for tips and support from other sellers. Stay informed about eBay's updates and changes to policies. Regularly review your sales performance and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your e-commerce sales on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.